I don't have that camera that shows me if you can or not. So I'm kind of pointing this out myself. But I'm super excited. I know this isn't a big deal for all you YouTubers that have been doing this for years, but I have 20,000 subscribers, and I cannot be more ecstatic and excited about this. And it's perfect timing since we're all at home on this quarantine. I have some stuff that I've made, and I figured I could start doing like little giveaways to give some of this stuff out. And I thought I just made these cute little sandal video a while back, but I had to do a follow-up video for them, and I figured, man, I think these would be a cute little giveaway. So I figured I'd give these out. They're 0 to 3 months. They're about a 3.5-inch sole. So cute little sandals for your little one if you're, you know, kind of strapped for cash and you have a new baby coming in. Hopefully it's a girl. I'd be happy to send these to you. But what I want for you guys to do for me, if you guys could subscribe to my channel and let me know that you're subscribing, that you're doing this giveaway on this video. And then please follow me on Instagram. Also let me know that you've subscribed so I can double check all that. And please like my Facebook page. And I have all the links on the bottom, so if you guys can subscribe, like, and follow, and then just let me know that you guys are entering the contest. I think I will have this run for the week, so I'll be posting this tomorrow, so which will be Saturday. Saturday the what? It'll be Saturday the 4th of April. So we will do it for 1 week, and so we'll stop it the following Saturday, and then I will message and post and all the winter stuff on my Facebook and Instagram. And again, I'll put all the links down below. So, and if you guys want to share, let me know, like on my Instagram, if you guys share this stuff, or on my Facebook link, let me know. I'll put in extra entries for you guys. Man, I'm excited. Okay, so I'm gonna post these shoes and say giveaway on my Instagram, and my arm is hurting from holding this camera. And then I'll do the same thing on my Facebook page. I'll put a picture up there, and then if you guys can comment on there that you're entering and that you've subscribed and all that good stuff. So, oh, I'm excited, and I have a bunch of Otter Pop cozies too that I'd want to give away for the summer. So I want to do something fun. I know we're all kind of stuck inside right now, and it's lame, and I know my kids are bored out of their minds, so we've been trying to do stuff. So I figured this little pick-me-up would help, you know, get a little smile on somebody's face. So all that good stuff. Subscribe, like, follow, share, post, all that good stuff. So you guys know what to do. You guys are savvy on that side. So I will see you guys on the next video or the next giveaway, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Good luck.